today's tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to create basic keynotes in Revit and how to load them into Revit too. This is already a section view of the work. Keynotes, they are used to enhance annotations and consistency in the drawings when annotating an object. You can either annotate walls or annotate slabs or any elements in the drawing. Let's start from annotating our walls. Click on the wall, you go to the edit type, then you scroll down, you go to keynotes. When you click on the keynotes, these three ellipse buttons will come out. Then you click on them. Don't forget we are dealing with the walls, and we want to give this particular wall a special wall tag, which is a concrete wall tag. So you click on this plus here, there's concrete, click on the plus here. Then you in cast in place concrete, there's another plus here, you click on that plus. And also there's structural concrete, you click also the drop down icon for the structural concrete. We are going to be using the 300 mm cast in place concrete wall, so this is the tag for it. So you click OK. This number comes up. This number that comes up is the tag for that particular wall, and it goes along for all the different walls that have the same category. You click on apply and then you click OK. So when you've done that, you go to the annotate tab, this annotate tab. Then under the tag tab, you click on keynotes, then the keynotes by element. Here saying you should save the project. Okay, dialog box just came up saying that we have to load in the tag. Mind you, the first step we took was to annotate the element, and the next step we are now going to take is loading in the keynotes tag into the project. You have to click yes to load it in, and we are loading it from the metric library. If you have a metric library, once you click the metric library, under annotation you scroll down to keynote tag, you click on the keynote tag, then you click OK. Once it's done loading in, then you just click on the element you just edited. The last element you edited was this wall. So when you click on that wall, you click here and then you place it. Automatically it has brought out the name of the wall because that's the tag of the wall that we give to it. You go to this edit tab to remove you uncheck the value and leave the keynote text value checked, then click apply and click OK. It shows. Also we are going to give a keynote tag also to the slab. So for us to do that, you come to this place. The slab has this question mark on it. That's because it has not been given the keynote yet. Once you do that, and once you do that, it will bring up this dialog box that takes you to where you have to place a keynote tag to it. Same process. You go to the cast in place concrete, and also there's a feature for the slab too. You know, the one we did was for wall, so you can look for the one that has for slab. It has to be 150 cast in place concrete slab. Yes, that's it. Then you click OK. When you click OK, it brings the tag to it. This is the tag for it. And once you do, you align your work very well, and then you're done with it. I hope you liked the video that just played. You can like, share and subscribe to get more notifications from us, and I will upload another video showing how you can use Notepad to create these keynotes in Revit. See you in the next video.